Hi, hi. Yes, yeah, we are back again, of course. Yes, back with the fifth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, September the 29th, 2020. The fifth one is a binary puzzle, and this one will be a number 1646. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Wow, finish in 3 minutes without comparing. Yes, I solved it in one time. Yes, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the 2 last tectonics. Tectonic with 1 star and tectonic with 2 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.